In this video we want to show you an assorted nuts mix from Planters. This pack has salted caramel crunch nuts inside. Let us first have a look at the packaging and its list of ingredients. Then we're gonna open it and have a look at the texture of these snacks. We got this from Dubai International Airport in a duty-free shop. In this package are 4 different snacks inside. You can find salted caramel peanuts, lightly salted peanuts, fudge pieces and chocolate raisins in it. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.